Today I'm gonna prepare mango sheera, a dish which is loaded with ghee and aroma of mango. All you need is ghee, 1 cup of rava, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of sugar, raisins, badam, almond optional, and mangoes. Roast 1 cup of rava in 4 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. While the rava is being roasted, take the 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of water and boil it. Now you can add raisins, almonds, nuts to the roasting rava. That's completely optional. If you don't like nuts and almonds or raisins, you can skip this step. Now this is the best part. Add chopped mangoes. Take the boiled milk and add it. Once the milk is completely absorbed, add sugar according to your taste. If you want it